Hey guys, welcome back, and as you can see here, that's finished. Cupboards are done, all nice new paint. These are recycled doors obviously, because you can see here that these are different, but these were as close as I could get when I went to the recycle market. So these two were up here and these two were up here. So I sifted through a heap of them, found out what was the closest, so that's what we have. And I put my own hardware on them, found some door hardware from Bunnings. That works. Like that, mine's squeak. And then these are on push rods that you would have saw in the previous video. Pretty choice. Only problem is that because we are in lockdown for unknown time, and we have to move in here to be able to do the rest of our renovations in our master bedroom and kitchen and area. So we've moved into this room now. So because of that, we didn't get any cupboards. So I haven't got any shelving for this cupboard yet. That's why this is in here. This is our dresser from our master bedroom. So this is just sitting in here. So we're not sure how long we're going to be in lockdown for, so I need to do something temporary so that we've got enough storage, because this room's quite small. So we've got a tall boy with the rest of our clothes in it, but it won't fit in that spot. So I've had to problem solve, come up with an idea of a shelf. Now I'm going to do it. I've got a couple of pictures to show you. And, yeah. Show you my plan on how we're going to do that. Because I've got to be able to reach in, get what I need without these doors being in the way, and using the limited supplies that I have, because I've only got what's in my garage at the time, other than the framing. So I unfortunately didn't think this far ahead that I was going to need to get some shelving for this. So yeah, let's go in the garage, grab out the pen and paper, have a look. Right, so always the way when you start videoing and you go to set up something, grab your camera, turn it on, battery's dead. Cool. So, don't let that discourage you. If you're watching this on my S10, I'll take a photo and I'll show you the setup. My tripod setup looks pretty merry, but it works. That's alright. Half in there. Okay, so the idea here, because my timbers, I've got one timber or one piece of MDF as a leftover. That is 565 by 2.4. Okay, and I also have another piece that is 650 by 590. No fractions here. Easy to understand, right? Yeah, I reckon. Okay, so those are my pieces. Now, the area, or the overall size of the piece of furniture that we want to make, shelving, is 450 by 450. So, my idea is to cut this down the middle, cut it down, down to 2 meters high. Okay, so that's the height. Okay. So, I've got 2.4 here. So, cut it down to 2 meters, then rip it in half down to 2 lengths. So 565 and a half, so that is 280, allowing for blades and things like that, you know that you'll get 280 out of it, because 250 and 250 is 530 and 30 is 60. Okay, so we get 2 pieces, 280. Okay, and then you'll have an offcut here. That'll be 565 by 400. Okay, this here is also going to get cut down. Now, the idea, this is from the top, so it's easiest to see. We have our 280mm bits, one there, then we have our other 280mm bit like that. And the reason I'm drawing the dots is to illustrate that they are offset. Okay, so 280, 450. Okay, so you've got 170mm difference there. Okay, so these are going to be offset by 170 mils. And our shelves are going to be curved like this. That's probably going to be a bit shorter. But the idea is for those to be curved like that. So, inside the cupboard, you have your door jamb, and then you also have bifolds. Okay. So, with that design, you can then reach right inside. Okay, it gives you access to all your shelves. That's the whole idea. I saw it on Pinterest or Instagram a while ago for a design, and I really liked it. And then this morning I was thinking about this issue and how to create some space and some shelving in there, and I came up with that idea just came to me, and I was like, that will work, and it uses the pieces that I've got. So I've got some MDF, got some 9 or 10mm MDF there, which will work. It's a little bit thin, but we make it work. So, the idea is for that and that, and then you're going to have pieces like that. Okay, and then we're just going to put shelves. Okay. However many shelves that I can get out of it. Now I know the instant thing that you're thinking, that I'm thinking, is what's going to stop it from falling over. Well, back here, just put a brace. Pretty simple really. So, what I can do is on this curve here, I can just put a piece in there like that. Square piece there. Top and bottom. And that will be enough of a brace to stop it ratcheting. You only need to go to that point there. Because all it's doing is creating strength that way. So it's not going to rack. Well, that's the theory anyway. So, let's see what we can come up with. If you're like me, the brain doesn't really work until this is on. This is my Taurus / Buckaroo work belt. Check out my other video, did a bit of a little review on it. amateur review anyway. Right, come up with a bit of a design change. Decided to change the design just a little bit, mainly because I don't really have enough material, so I can't just go down to the shops and get some, which is what I'm quite used to doing. So, thanks coronavirus, because I've only got this, that, for the size that I want to do, it's not going to quite work. So 450 by 450 is not going to work. It's not economical for my cuts. So we're going to scrap that, and we're going to go 395 each way. So it just makes it 55 mils smaller each way, but it's not a heck of a load, so it'll look a bit nicer, I think, hopefully. So, because of that, what I've worked out here is worked out how many shelves I'm going to have. I'm going to have a total of 6 shelves plus a top, so 7 pieces of material I need. I can get 1 out of this, maybe 2 now. I've got these here for my braces at the back. That's not an issue. So, I'll get 2 out of that, and I've got some 9mm ply there. Now I can use that. The reason I want to go 395 is because on a 1200 sheet, 3 cuts out of 1200 at 395, allowing for blades and tidying up. Okay, so it'll actually come to 1185. But when you run a 2mm saw through that twice, suddenly you're at 1189, and you also need to clean things up. So I always work sort of, give yourself a little bit of play. So I can get 1 row, 2 rows. That gives me 6 shelves out of only 800 by 1200, because I want to keep the majority of this sheet, because those sheets are actually for when I go to remove my kitchen windows. So I need to keep as much of that ply as I can, so that when I pull out my windows, I've got the plywood to be able to cover up the hole. Because we're coming into winter, and I won't be able to buy any more of that, not for the next 5 weeks apparently. So I'm stuck with the material I've got, so I've got to think about these sorts of things. So that leaves me with 1600 left of the sheet, 16 by 12, and that is just bigger than the window that I'm going to be pulling out, so that works. And when that window gets pulled out, that piece will go in, and then I've got another 2x4 piece that will cover in the other window that's going to come out. Thinking. So get that ply out, cut up some shelves, and then we'll keep going. So if you saw there with the bucket, I found something that would give me a radius. So 280, 280, found something that gave me a nice radius. So fit that out with the jigsaw. Once I've got a nice template there, I'll then use a flush trim bit on my router, copy that to every shelf. That's all the same. That's good. Right, so jumped ahead a little bit, cut out these rabbits, or rebates as you call them in New Zealand. These are all done, so they're just going to slide straight in there like that. I'm not doing a curve at the back because obviously I've figured out before if it was in a corner, everything that goes in the corner is just going to fall through. That's just annoying, so we're not going to do that. I'm just going to do this, Flyworks mint. And then nice 9mm rebate. Fly off my head. And yeah, that will go in there. So just got to do the other one now. That's what I've been doing. Using this sucker, 3mm, sort of 2-3mm rebate. Plain timber on there, easy as. Right away.
Next minute.
Right, so the unit's been in for a couple of days now. All worked out pretty well. I'll just screw up in the corner there. And then I've got one down the back there as well. This thing is not moving at all. Works really, really well. Got all our clothes in there. And yeah, like I say, even if that's half closed, you can still reach in and get whatever you want. So the whole idea. But yeah, we were chatting and this is going to get redone. This one's probably going to end up in the garage, like all the other shelving. But this, we're going to redo this, but put it on the left hand side. So you can have this round edge here sticking out over there. So yeah, it's just going to be like a mirror image swap around, and then obviously with wider sort of good 20mm MDF or melamine panel, and same thing here, because that's why it was so wobbly, is because it's so thin. Just needs a bit of rigidity, so with thicker timber that'll do that. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. So it was quite long, but yeah, when you're designing and building, that's what ends up happening. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, up to you. Plenty more vids coming. Got quite a bit of that coming. Alright, see you guys.